Hello everyone, today I will show you how to get verified on Instagram, and here's how it's done. If you want to get verified on Instagram and earn the blue check mark next to your name, follow the step-by-step guide. Open Instagram and go to your profile page. Tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Select Settings and Activity. Tap on Account Center at the top. Scroll down and tap on Show that profile is verified. Review the benefits of verification, such as the verified badge and increased trust. Tap Unlock Benefits to proceed. Sign up for the verification service. Note, this may include a subscription fee, which varies by currency and location. Set up two-factor authentication if prompted. Complete the process to activate verification. Once activated, return to your profile and refresh the page. You should now see the blue check mark next to your username. And that is everything to know about how to get verified on Instagram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.